Did you know that gas prices are cheaper in the evenings after 7 p.m.? Yes, they are cheaper around that time. Another secret you want to know is that gas prices tend to rise around Thursdays as the weekend draws nearer. Hello everyone, this is Harminder Suri from Toronto Drivers. Friends, gas prices are constantly rising. So finding ways to cut fuel costs is more crucial than ever. There are many ways to save on gas, from finding a cheaper gas station to driving less aggressively. The gas saver tips in this video will help you save money so you can keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. So let's take a look at some of the ways to save gas. Nowadays, with the help of smartphones, it's very easy to get the lowdown on how much the local gas stations are charging for fuel. Gas prices tracking apps like Waze, CAA, and Gas Buddy let you see the local gas prices at a glance so that you can figure out which gas station offers the best deal. So make sure you download one of these apps to save your money. Let me share some other ways to reduce gas prices. Did you know that gas prices are cheaper in the evenings after 7 p.m.? Yes, they are cheaper around that time. And also know that it is best to hit the gas station in the evening because gasoline is more dense when it's cooler. So you'll get more fuel for the same amount of money. Another secret you want to know is that gas prices tend to rise around Thursdays as the weekend draws nearer because that is when the demand is going to be higher. So gas stations very strategically raise the price because they know that people are going to buy gas anyway. Do you get that now? So try to fill up near the beginning of the week. You can also join a membership club of companies like Costco, Esso, Petro-Canada, Shell. They offer various reward programs and gas discounts to help you save on fuel or other goods and services at their convenience stores. And yeah, do not pay for a premium. The vast majority of vehicles work just fine with regular fuel. So why pay more for premium gas? If you're not sure which type of gas your vehicle needs, check the owner's manual or chat with your mechanic. Driving habits. How you drive your car can have a big effect on how much gas you use up every month. Here are some tips to help you improve your fuel efficiency. Aggressive driving uses up more gas, around 35% more. Lots of quick acceleration, speeding, and sudden braking burns more gas than driving smoothly, calmly, and near the speed limit. A test by Edmunds.com revealed that you can boost fuel mileage by 35% simply by driving more like your grandmother and less like a short-tempered adrenaline junkie. This is probably the single biggest way to make a dent in your monthly gas bill. Now let me ask you this. What do you think saves more gas? Air conditioning or windows down? Most people know that using the air conditioning, that is the AC, pulls more energy from engine. So blasting cold air inside your car can make your car's fuel efficiency take a hit. However, on the other hand, opening your window creates air resistance, which makes your car work harder and gulp down more gas. So when the temperature starts climbing, which solution helps you save the most gas? Well, the answer depends on what type of car you have. Sleek, aerodynamic cars like sedans and sports cars have less wind resistance. So if you crack open the windows, you'll create a lot more drag. Larger, bulkier vehicles like SUVs and trucks and cars with roofs or bike racks already create a lot of drag. So opening the window won't make as much difference. So to summarize, if you have a smaller, more aerodynamic car, use the AC. If your vehicle is larger and bulkier, crank open some windows. Keep your warm-ups short. I know it's tempting to keep the car's engine idling for a while on cold winter mornings so you can enjoy a toasty ride to work. But in doing so, you're sacrificing a significant amount of gas. And do not forget, you're also pumping a lot of harmful emission into the air. Therefore, keep the warm-up periods to around 30 seconds or less whenever you can. The car doesn't need more than 30 seconds of warm-up. Fill up when you don't need to. Do not wait until your tank is almost dry before filling up, because you'll end up pulling into whatever station is closest and possibly pay a higher price for gas. Start looking for a gas station when you're around half full, so you'll have more opportunity to shop around for the best deal. Take the junk out of the trunk. Well, the more weight you carry around, the harder your car has to work to move forward and the more gas you'll burn. Empty out all the non-essentials that are weighing your car down and you'll enjoy better gas mileage. Regular maintenance. Keeping your car properly maintained on a regular basis not only maximizes performance, it also helps you save on gas. When your tires are at the proper inflation level, they'll do a better job of reducing friction, which helps improve gas mileage. Make sure to check them once a month. Another thing you want to keep in mind is that you should not drive with your winter tires in summer. Only use winter tires during the winter because they create more resistance and thus reduce gas mileage. Engine tune-up. If your engine is properly tuned up with clean filters and the right type of motor oil, it will run more efficiently and use less gas. Last but not the least, choose a fuel-efficient car. If you're in the market for a new ride, look for a car that will use less gas and save you money in the long run. The two types of cars you can choose from are hybrid cars and electric cars. Hybrid cars use two or more systems, usually a combination of gas and electric, which is why these cars provide incredibly good gas mileage. And when it comes to electric cars, say goodbye to ever visiting a gas station again. So that's that about saving gas on your car. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then crush the like button. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again next Friday.